Patchouli. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I talk about curls, wellness, travel, and who knows what else in this new coming year. Today's video, it is going to be a wash and go for extreme volume and bounce on fine, thin, curly hair. Creating volume is always my #1 goal because my hair is fine and thin. But don't fret if you have the same type of hair. There are a lot of things you can do to give the illusion that you have lots of hair. So let's get into this. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. So I'm freshly washed. I did use the same washing products I used in my last video. They were the Pacifica Rosemary Mint Purifying Shampoo along with their hair mask. First thing I'm gonna do when I come straight out of the shower is to apply my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be using the same products I used in last week. However, I won't be using a styling cream. I'm just using a mousse today because when you want to achieve extreme volume, you want to use as little amount of product as possible. So I'm gonna put in my ASIAM leave-in conditioner, starting from the bottom, working my way to the top. I'm going to be finger detangling for this one. Let's get some more water. We want to style on soaking wet hair. In today's video, I do want to do something different. I'm going to be using the lock method, which is leave-in, oil, and then cream. But in my case, my cream is going to be my mousse. And I just want to see how that's going to work on my low porosity hair. The lock method is perfect for low porosity hair because we do have a hard time absorbing moisture. But once we have the moisture, it ain't going nowhere. I did my leave-in. Now I'm gonna apply my oil. The oil I'm gonna be using is my jojoba oil. I'm not gonna apply too much of this. I think that's enough, like 4 drops. And I'm gonna focus on my ends and then work my way up. This is perfect to be using in this hair routine because since I'm only using mousse, I can get dry hair because I'm not using a cream. So putting the oil on before you apply your mousse is going to help with hydration and moisturization as well. So now that that step is done, we are going to apply our only styling product, which is Dippity-Do Girls with Curls Curl Boosting Mousse. I will be sectioning the top of my hair. So I am starting from right behind my ear. That is what I'm going to be sectioning off because this front part, you want to style it differently than the back. This curl boosting mousse reduces frizz, adds body, and replenishes lost moisture. This is how much I'm gonna put in the back of my hair. I might actually add some more. Yes, so now I'm gonna add 2 more pumps to finish on the top, which is gonna be here. I'm just applying the product with my hands. I hear the squishy sound. So we have enough product in our hair. So now we're gonna work on the front. So for the front part, you don't want to oversaturate your front area. That is probably the most important area to make sure you don't oversaturate with product. I'm going to go in with a 1.5 pumps. Start on the bottom, then work my way up. Make sure I put some on the sides. The way I'm gonna be styling this is to the front. And I'm gonna be using a brush for this part. And we're done with applying our product. That was a very quick and easy way to apply your mousse. And the back of my hair, I didn't use the brush, but the front of my hair I definitely did. So the front of my hair should have added definition as well as bounce. And one thing I'm gonna do is pass my pick wherever I see clumps so that I can have a lot of volume. So these are my results for today's wash and go for extreme volume and bounce on fine thin hair. Try this routine out, let me know how it goes. This is Ruby Patchouli. Thank you so much for watching my entire video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it, and leave a like, comment, subscribe. It helps out my channel, and I'll see you next week in another video. Bye.